RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you how to replace wardrobe drawer slides. Tools and materials: drill, wood screws, drawer slides. The wardrobe's drawer seems broken. After checking, the drawer slide is broken. The first step is to remove the broken slide. The slides are on the side of the drawer. There will be 4 slides in total to remove. After removal, use a drill to install the new slides. Two slides left. After screwing all the screws in, it's done. In addition, drawer slides can be purchased in hardware stores. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.